Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can free up some space on your C drive. So if your C drive is full or almost full, then how can you free up some space with that? So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Explorer. Now you'll find File Explorer under the best match, so you just need to click on that. Now here you have to click on this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, then we have to scroll down and look for the Windows folder, this one, double click. Then here we need to scroll down and look for the software distribution folder, and here you'll find download, double click. So there are a lot of files in here once you have upgraded your Windows or updated your Windows, and these are not required. So we need to delete all of this. Click on one file or folder and then press Ctrl+A on keyboard to select all the items. Then you have to hit the delete bin at the top. And you just need to wait for this to be deleted from here because there are a lot of files in here or items. Okay, so once this is done, you just need to move to the next method. Let me just minimize that. Then for the next method is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. You'll find disk cleanup under the best match. Click on that. So we are going to clean the Windows C drive. So we are just going to click on OK. And then here, this will appear. So you just have to simply select all of these options one by one. And then the total amount of disk space will be stated from here. So I will be gaining 1.42 gigabytes. Now in your case, this could be greater. Now you have to click on OK and click on delete files. And you just need to wait for the process to be done. Now once done, move to the next methods. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type appwiz.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. And here you will find all the programs installed on your Windows. So what we can do is we need to uninstall the program which is unnecessary or we are not using, because that will just consume a lot of space on your C drive. So what you can do, you just need to click on that one program and then you have to make a right click and then select uninstall. Right click, select uninstall. Right click, select uninstall. And then close this once you have uninstalled all the unnecessary programs on your Windows. You can also make a right click at the start button and select File Explorer. Now here you have to look at the destination paths from here. If there are large items in here which are unnecessary, then you just need to make a right click and then select delete. And then close this, open your recycle bin, and delete everything from here. So that's it. That's how you can fix if your C drive is full on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.